Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to see messages on Snapchat without opening them. Now in case if you don't want to reply to the certain person or if you want to ignore them, now you can use this particular method and he or she will not even get to know that you've already seen the message. So now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you have to tap on the Snapchat application. Now the process is very simple. So now on this particular page, move towards your left hand side corner and right in the bottom on the second option that you can see chat, just tap on it. Now this method is one of the simplest method of seeing message without opening them. So in order to see this without opening, so as you can see there is a profile ID, just tap on it and all you have to do is swipe towards your right hand side slowly without leaving your hands. Here as you can see, this is the message that this particular ID has sent it to me. So once you're done reading it, all you have to do is do not leave your hand, just drag towards your right hand side. Here you can see that though I've opened this message or though I've read this message, but down there as you can see there's a new snap, just tap to view. So which means that this particular person is unaware of whether I've opened this chat or whether I've read the message. Now this is how you can see messages on Snapchat without opening them. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.